Hey everybody, we're back with video number 2 in the Build a Broker Business series. Hope everyone took something away from the first one. If you haven't registered a domain before, obviously it was pretty basic overview, but yeah, look, wanted to take the next step in wanting to show you how to build a business from scratch. And topics I'm going to cover off in this video is a basic overview and introduction to Canva and how to use it. Canva is a tool that makes it really easy to create social media posts, to create content for EDMs, to design a logo without having to spend an arm and a leg using a graphic designer, and essentially build out a brand identity and fonts and kit that you can use throughout your posts and look at what options are available. So if you're looking at Canva, jump across to canva.com and you'll get a really quick insight into what Canva can do. Essentially, what we're going to look at is what options they have in terms of pricing. So you can get a free Canva account. It does include a pile of templates, different design types, photos and graphics included in that free account, which is free for life. Even better, what you can do is look at Canva Pro. So Canva Pro gives you access to a whole bunch of premium stock photos, videos, audio, graphics, and really does have a bottomless pit of features. So positive thing is Canva Pro, you can actually pick up a free trial for 30 days. That's what I'd suggest. Give it a crack and we'll get going. Created your Canva account and logged in, there is actually 2 options in how to use Canva. You can essentially use it in a browser or you can download their desktop app. So essentially this is a look inside Canva Pro account, and what we're going to do is jump into having a look at a bit of a logo. So I guess what you want to do is come in and have a look at some of the things that Canva can do for you. So you can see here, you can create documents, your whiteboard, your Facebook posts, Instagram stories, you name it, it's literally in here. So you can do videos. As I said before, the video that I've edited for YouTube and posted across LinkedIn and Facebook has been created within Canva. So it's a pretty powerful tool. And can be used to create any sort of documents, social media content, even websites for your business. So jumping right in, we're going to be looking at creating a logo. So when you jump in, you can see just by simply searching logo, it's going to actually give you a number of different options. So you can start something completely blank. Or you can actually look at some of the ready-made templates that are here for you. So let's just grab one. I've actually chosen one earlier. So if I come back into one of the templates that I've found here, you can see here's a logo that I've found that I like. On the left-hand side, you'll see everything that's recently used or viewed. You can see I've used this B here for the Build a Broker Business logo. And what I'm going to do is start to customize this one for the purpose of Loan You. So what we have to do is essentially highlight the text, type in what you'd like to replace it with, and away you go. So you can do things like changing the size of the text, moving it. Obviously the lines there show you that it lines up in the center of your logo. You can multiple select things. So if you drag over the top and move it, you can then place it in the center. So you can see there in a couple of seconds we've been able to change the text. We've been able to move it from side to the center. And if we just go back and change that again, we might actually just remove the .com.au. So just see what that looks like. I think that's a bit better. We might just try and increase this text to sort of be the same height or similar to that of the actual icon itself. Let's maybe go a little bit bigger. It's looking pretty close now. All right, and then let's move that back into the center again. All right, so I'm not overly stoked with this font here. If you click on the fonts, it's actually going to give you a whole pile of different fonts to use. Come down, you've really got endless fonts within here. If there's not something that you've seen that you like, you can actually go and download fonts online, which is also something I'll jump into shortly. All right, one of the sites that I actually use for fonts is called dafont.com. If you have a look across their website, you will see a whole range of different fonts. You can filter by different types of themes, authors, top ones, new fonts, and just have a browse through until you find something that you like, and then add it to download. So once you've downloaded the font, all you have to do is simply double click to install it. Once you've installed your fonts, you might need to quit and come back into Canva. However, once you've come back in, you'll see now that the Nexa font that I installed is now available in here. So you can literally type in the font that you're looking for and you'll see it's been added. So all we have to do is choose the one that we want and update the logo. So if we want to choose a different font, come back to here, type in the one we're looking for and change it. So you'll see there it's updated. Alright, so a couple of quick other things you can do. You can actually change the background colors. So for this I've just decided to keep it black for now, but you can change it to whatever color you want. If you want to, you can also change the color of the text and the logo itself. So if we decided that we wanted to make it the blue, you can physically click on the items and change them to the blue. And yeah, there you go. It's a quick look at how it's coming together. If you did want to play around with a few more ideas, you can add them and simply click our templates that are available here. So if you wanted to use this, for instance, very similar thing. There you go, updated. Change the font to the one that we've decided on. Play around with it, see what looks best for you, and again add another page, pick a design, so yeah, have a play around. You'll see that there is a myriad of templates available to you, so play around. If you've got any questions, feel free to shoot me a message.